You want to grow and scale your food business? Of course you do. Of course you do. But you don't have enough money. And the reason why you don't have enough money is because you don't have enough customers. And the reason why you don't have enough customers is because your business is not in the places on where your customers are shopping. Think about it. Where is the first place that you go when you shop? And where most people go? Google, Bing, Yahoo. And for your customers that are getting married, they're going to The Knot. They're going to Wedding Wire. So if your customers are there, that's where you need to be. Go to those sites. Fill out your profile. The profile is free. Post every single food picture that you have on every single one of those sites and update your profile. Make it look legit. Make it look amazing. And then get reviews from that. Go to where your customers are if you want them to find you. Then have everybody who's ever tasted your food go to those sites and leave a positive review for your business. Questions or advice? Just ask.